Hi everyone, welcome back to Spot Boy. I am Sangya and today is Friday. I am watching the second movie of this weekend, which is Tumban 2 by Anubhav Sinha, starring Neha Sharma, Ashim Gulati and Aditya Singh. Now this movie begins with this perfect couple, madly in love, made for each other, which is Neha Sharma and Ashim Gulati. Now what happens is they're out on a vacation, some terrible accident happens and Ashim goes missing or completely disappears from the scene. Neha is grieving, family is looking for a while, and then eventually they realize that maybe Ashim is no more. Now what follows is the entry of Aditya, who's come in with this amazing sense of humor, fresh ideas, fresh personality, and is literally a fresh breath of air for Neha Sharma as well. Now in the process she falls in love with him, and then right before the interval it is revealed that Ashim might still be alive and is being treated by the locals somewhere in this world. Now I have a question for you guys. What do you think? Is the magic of Tumban 1 going to be repeated in Tumban 2? Is the storyline going to be kind of the same? So I am going to come back with the full review and tell you. Before that, you better leave the comments and let me know what do you think. So see you. Hi everyone, welcome back to Spot Boy. I am Sangya and like I said, wait for the full review. Here I am. Just got done watching Anubhav Sinha's Tumban 2 starring Neha Sharma, Ashim Gulati and Aditya Singh. Now guys, as I told you, the movie begins with this perfect couple in love, Ashim and Neha, who are made for each other because of an accident. Ashim goes missing because of it taking a lot of time to find him. Everybody assumes that he is no more. Now Aditya enters the scene. He is a breath of fresh air with new ideas, with sense of humor, with a great personality. Neha Sharma falls in love, and before the interval we saw that Ashim Gulati was found alive in some part of the world being treated by locals. Now post the intervals, of course the complications begin, where Ashim Gulati is back in the scene. Neha Sharma was in love with Aditya. Aditya decides to kind of take the back seat and let them get back together, but then of course complications. Neha Sharma decided to let Ashim know that now Aditya is her present, and I think the director kind of sort of just wanted to portray today's generation's love and the complexities, but he got so involved with the complexities that at the end I just got a khichdi and could not make sense of the movie at all. Now, yeah, just to tell you, Neha goes back to Ashim after all of this drama where she could have chosen that in the first place. Anyways, performances की बात करें तो I grew fond of Neha Sharma. She did a decent job. In fact, Aditya Seal has impressed me quite a bit. Ashim Gulati, not so much. I think his emotions were a misfit and wrongly placed, and his reactions were also quite weird, honestly. Now, Kanwaljit, I have to mention, he's always been one of my favorites, but ooh, is he looking handsome. Also, the styling of the film is very, very, very nice. Now, supporting cast was also quite cute. The sisters and the Francois and all of those, I quite enjoyed their presence on screen. Now, direction-wise, as I said, director tried to, I think, bring back the magic of Tumban from 15 years ago, but in my opinion, failed. Now, in terms of kind of portraying the complexities of love and emotions, he tried his bit. Post the interval for a few minutes also I was in the story, I was with the story, but after that it just got too complex and kind of just went woof, could not understand anything, and I'm just, after the movie I'm kind of left like, what just happened? And the chroma, not a good job, and also the locations were absolutely beautiful and picturesque. So all in all, I would give this film 1.5 stars and 0.5 more for the songs. And if I had to pick a film for this weekend, it would definitely be Force 2.